Life would be tragic if it weren't funny. Mankind's greatest achievements have come about by talking, and its greatest failures by not talking. Intelligence is the ability to adapt to change. The greatest enemy of knowledge is not ignorance. It is the illusion of knowledge. I have no idea. People who boast about their IQ are losers, Stephen Hawking had said. We only have to look at ourselves to see how intelligent life might develop into something we wouldn't want to meet. It is a waste of time to be angry about my disability. One has to get on with life, and I haven't done badly. People won't have time for you if you are always angry or complaining, Stephen Hawking had said. Not only does God play dice, but he sometimes throws them where they cannot be seen. The victim should have the right to end his life if he wants. But I think it would be a great mistake. However bad life may seem, there is always something you can do and succeed at. While there's life, there is hope. I have lived with the prospect of an early death for the last 49 years. I'm not afraid of death, but I'm in no hurry to die. I have so much I want to do first. I regard the brain as a computer which will stop working when its components fail. There is no heaven or afterlife for broken-down computers. That is a fairy story for Pio.